If discussions at the exposition are to be believed, the potential in China's aviation market is limitless. The primary reason behind that optimism is that China has taken some preliminary steps to opening up its low-altitude airspace.
China now has around 170 general aviation companies owning 1,900 aircraft, but for such a large economy and massive territory, this is far from enough.
Opening up the low-altitude airspace means allowing privately owned aircraft to fly below 1,000 meters. This allows new companies, particularly helicopter service providers, to enter the market.
We've been watching this for several years, and it looks like over the next 2 or 3 years we're going to see some significant changes. The zones that have been set up to do some initial testing seem to be performing quite well, so we're looking forward to it being rolled out across the country.
So far, pilot projects have been launched in China's northeastern, central, and southern regions, as well as 7 cities, including Tangshan near Beijing, Xi'an, Qingdao, Hangzhou, Ningbo, Kunming, and Chongqing. Government agencies and a growing billionaires club in China are the potential customer base for helicopters and light planes.
China's general aviation construction is not yet mature compared with other developed countries like the U.S. In this case, the helicopter has its advantages because it can operate in certain zones without surveillance networks and service throughout the country. I think helicopter and computing airplanes would be the first to develop in China's general aviation market.
Opening low-altitude airspace will not be accomplished in a flash. It requires heavy investment and the establishment of systems such as management, service, and air control. It is moving toward that direction. Helicopter transportation is likely to be a leading sector and another factor to boost the economic development. Li Hong, CCTV, Tianjin.